Hey folks, it's Chacha here. Been a little busy up here in the leather shop, and I just thought I would show you what I've been working on today. I've been needing this for years. Everybody knows that when you sew two pieces of leather together, let me grab something. When you sew two pieces of leather together, you end up with an edge that you can kind of see, where they're glued and stitched together. So the idea, I made this, I don't know, probably 15, 16 years ago now, but to get that, you usually use a tool like this and use beeswax and water and all that, and you just kind of rub it along the edge until you get it like that. Well, they sell these burnishers, which is basically this thing here. But to buy the name brand burnisher that's made just for leather working, it also has a sanding drum on the other side. It's basically just a grinder, a low-speed grinder. But it has these attachments, but they're about $800. This was an electric motor that I had, that I've had for years. A fireman gave it to me years ago. He was getting ready to throw it in the trash, and I grabbed it, and it's actually a made in USA piece. And it's a low speed. It's 1725 or 1750. Most of the motors run at 3,500 RPM. This one only runs at 1750, so it's perfect for this. So I got online and went to Pro Edge Burnishers, and if you don't know about them, just go see them. They've got pretty much everything you need. But all I had to do was tell them what this arbor size was here, and they sent me one right out. It's been, I don't know, a couple, 3 weeks maybe. But this thing fits right on that shaft where, this used to take a pulley or whatever this motor was designed for. And it works perfect. I'm going to put a switch right here, an on-off switch. And right now it has, the fireman that I got this from had this light switch in there, but it had a rheostat on there, like a dimmer switch, and that doesn't do real well with AC motors. But so I switched it out and just put a regular light switch in there just to be able to use it today, just to make sure it worked. But this thing, when you flip this thing on, it is just perfectly smooth. I could not be happier with the burnishing part. This guy does this fairly inexpensive. I cannot imagine how he does it as cheap as he does, because it's all hardwood, and it's turned in different widths across here depending on what your project is, and then even the wide one. So if you're doing gun holsters or something that has several layers, you have a nice big wide flat one there. So super happy with this. Still got to work out something. I have a grinder downstairs that I can use, that I can move this over to if I change that grinder over to a sander on one side and this burnisher on the other side. But it's basically a brand new grinder with all the attachments, and it's got adjustable tool rests and everything. It's still got the grinding shields on it. It's a fantastic grinder, and I really don't want to take it apart and use it for this. But this for now will get me, and I've got other belt sanders that I can use to rough the edges up. But so for now, this is going to be perfect, and I'm so happy with it. Just put it on a temporary board where I can put it under the bench and get it out when I need to. But really happy with it. So hopefully this will speed up my my burnishing process a little bit, and we get some of these orders out a little quicker than what they have been. So if you're interested in anything, I've had several people that have contacted me, and I can't for the life of me remember who all has. If you haven't emailed me or called me about about an item, do that now, and get in contact with me and let me know, because I've got several that I know I told I would come measure them up for suspenders for firemen, and to be honest, I just don't remember which fireman it was. So it's been so long ago now, but I'm set up and rolling, and ready to start getting back to it again. So that's all I wanted. Just wanted to touch base and show you what I've been working on today. This has been a long time coming. This motor, honestly, has been under my bench longer than we've been in this house, which has been, I guess, 8 years now. And so definitely have been suffering through using those burnishers, those hand burnishers up there. This is going to be a lot better. All right. Hope y'all have a good night. I appreciate you stopping by.